Have you ever wondered why some people manage to become millionaires while others seem stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial struggle, even when they work just as hard? The answer may not lie in the type of work they do or how many hours they put in each day, but in something much deeper: mindset. That's right, what separates the financially successful from everyone else isn't just physical effort, it's how they think, see the world, and make decisions. In today's video, we're going to reveal 7 secrets that millionaires use to shape their mindset and achieve financial success. But before we go any further, let me make something clear. If you're expecting the same old financial tips, you're in the wrong place. Here, we focus on how the wealthy think because that's how real success is built. We'll go beyond the obvious and dive into the principles that have the power to transform your life and your perspective on money. Now, if you're ready to change your mindset and start this journey toward success, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And don't forget to like the video because every like helps spread this life-changing message. Let's get started. Number 1. The power of a positive mindset. When we talk about financial success, many people think of hard work, investments, and strategies. However, one of the first secrets we must uncover is the power of a positive mindset. The way you view the world, your beliefs about your own capabilities, and your optimism in the face of challenges are crucial in determining how far you can go. If you see yourself as capable of achieving great things, you're already halfway there. Think of stories like Oprah Winfrey, who was born into extreme poverty but overcame unimaginable adversity because she believed she was destined for something greater. Or Elon Musk, who faces enormous challenges in his ventures, yet always maintains an optimistic vision of the future. These examples show how a positive mindset not only shapes actions but attracts opportunities and solutions that might otherwise go unnoticed. The good news is that this isn't something reserved for millionaires. Anyone can train their mind to think positively. A good starting point is to monitor your thoughts daily. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. Start with something simple: I am capable of solving this problem, or I will find a solution. This small shift may seem insignificant, but over time, it will have a profound impact on how you approach life and business. Number 2. Focus on solutions, not problems. Many people, when faced with a problem, tend to focus solely on the difficulties. They spend so much energy complaining or worrying that they end up not finding a solution. But here's what sets wealthy people apart. They don't waste time dwelling on the problem itself. Instead, they quickly shift their focus to the solution. This mindset allows wealthy individuals to recover quickly from challenges and find opportunities where others see obstacles. For example, Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, built an empire because, instead of worrying about the obstacles in e-commerce, he focused on solutions to make consumers' lives more convenient. The idea of creating a marketplace with fast, efficient delivery was the solution that revolutionized global retail, while others were stuck trying to understand the challenges of the market. So, how can you apply this to your life? Start by keeping a journal of problems and solutions. Every time you face a challenge, write down the problem and spend some time brainstorming possible solutions, no matter how simple or complex they may seem. This trains your mind to be proactive, developing a skill that is common among millionaires. Number 3. Abundance versus scarcity mindset. If there's a clear difference between the mindsets of those who thrive financially and those who don't, it's how they see the world. Abundance or scarcity. While a scarcity mindset is always worried about the lack of resources, be it money, time, or opportunities, the wealthy operate with an abundance mindset. They believe there's always more to achieve, more to learn, and that opportunities are limitless. A scarcity mindset is evident in people who are afraid to take risks because they think losing something is the end of the road. They hold on tightly to what little they have, fearing there won't be more. On the other hand, millionaires with their abundance mindset are always willing to invest, take risks, and explore new paths because they trust that there are always more opportunities ahead. It's not that they ignore the risks, but they see the potential reward much more clearly. To adopt this mindset, start by reevaluating how you think about money and opportunities. Look at the world as a place full of chances waiting to be discovered. Remember, the first step to living in abundance is believing that it exists. Number 4. The value of continuous education. If there's one thing that separates millionaires from most people, it's their relentless pursuit of learning. They know the world is constantly evolving, and knowledge is the key to staying relevant and innovative. Warren Buffett, for instance, spends most of his days reading. Not because he has to, but because he understands that continuous education is one of the pillars of long-term success. Education doesn't need to be confined to a classroom or a degree. In fact, it happens everywhere, through books, podcasts, online courses, and mentorships. When you invest in your own education, you equip yourself to spot opportunities that others might miss and, more importantly, to act on those opportunities. A practical tip: set aside 30 minutes of your day to read something that will add value to your financial life, personal development, or business. It may seem like a small amount of time, but over time, those 30 minutes a day add up to an impressive volume of knowledge that can transform your life. Number 5. Smart time management. If there's one thing millionaires value more than money, it's time. While many people waste it on distractions or tasks that could be delegated, the wealthy are obsessive about managing their time efficiently. They know time is the only resource that can't be recovered, and for this reason, they dedicate their days to activities that generate the highest impact. Elon Musk is a classic example of how rigorous time management can lead to impressive results. Known for dividing his day into 5-minute blocks, Musk optimizes every second to maximize productivity, balancing his multiple companies and projects. This allows him to advance rapidly in various areas without losing focus. So how can you improve your time management? Less important. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely. Number 6. Courage to take calculated risks. Being financially successful is not for the faint of heart. Millionaires understand that in order to grow, you have to take risks. But here's the secret. They don't take risks blindly. They're calculated and strategic. They know that while risk is necessary, it's important to measure the potential returns and the chances of success before acting. Richard Branson is an example of someone who knows how to balance risk and reward. He has ventured into risky businesses like creating Virgin Galactic, a space tourism company. But before each big move, Branson carefully analyzes the potential outcomes to protect his capital and ensure that the rewards outweigh the risks. Apply this principle by starting to evaluate your decisions with basic risk analysis. Ask yourself, what's the worst thing that could happen? What are the potential gains? Don't let fear paralyze you, but also don't dive in headfirst without first doing the math. Number 7. The power of networking. One last secret that millionaires understand well is the power of networking. They know that success isn't just about what you know, but who you know. Building a strong network of contacts opens doors, creates new business opportunities, and enables collaborations that would otherwise be impossible. Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg are great examples of this. Both benefited not just from their technical skills, but from their networks, which allowed them to grow and expand their technological empires. Networking is an essential piece of the success puzzle. If you want to follow in the footsteps of these greats, start attending events and join online and in-person communities where you can meet people with similar goals. Remember, who you know can be the key to your next big opportunity. Now, I want to invite you to start applying at least one of these secrets today. Small daily changes can lead to big results over time. Don't wait until tomorrow to do what you can start now to transform your life. If you enjoyed this content, leave a comment below, share it with friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tips like these.